Pero hindi pa pala kami pasasok dyan ngayon. Punta kami ng beach. See, there's the beach. Let's go to the beach. Ay, ang nice naman. Come here. Happy anniversary, Mommy. Daddy, she's still greeting me. Happy anniversary, Mommy. Thank you, baby. It's still Mommy and Daddy's anniversary, bala. Oh, wow. Now, Mimi can play here. Ay, ang nice, guys. Perfect talagang puntahan ang Kerala. Kasi you can see both the ocean, the mountains, hills, everything you can see in Kerala. That's why they are calling this God's own country. Kasi everything is here. It's perfect. Tindahan dyan. What uncle is selling? What's this, Daddy? Stamp.
50
rupees. Uncle will give you tattoo. Go. You choose which one you want. Which design you want. Which design you want. Let her choose.
This one, butterfly.
There's butterfly.
This one, 7.
ऐसा flower बना हुआ है.
This one, henna.
You like that? Show her first.
This one.
You like that, lab?
Give uncle your hand.
Kite. This one and this one. This one.
Okay.
See, look, uncle will make you tattoo. Give you tattoo. Ang daming alam din itong tatay eh. Steady. Wow, so pretty. Don't touch the nail. Wow, so pretty, Mishi. Wow, Mimi. So pretty. It's like henna tattoo, but stamp yung gamit. Ink. Color. So pretty, Mishka.
चाहिए तो ये सेलिंग करता है.
Okay.
Wow.
अगला. रुकिया.
Wow, Mimi. So pretty pa.
गणेश.
Wow, show me your hand. Aww, so pretty.
Look here. Look here. Show here.
Aww. Mimi's
like
first
it?
tattoo.
This one.
You want the one?
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Daddy, she went to
Mimi, look here, baby, look here.
Daddy, she went
Let's go to the beach na. Go to Daddy Chi. This side. We'll go to the beach. In fairness, ang linis ng beach nila dito, guys. She wants to wash her feet. Pero grabe ang lakas ng alon. Wow! It's coming! It's coming!
She's not scared of tides.
She's not scared. She's always brave. Just holding her.
All are having fun at beach side. Mimi!
Yan pala yung temple kay Sofita din pala siya dito mula sa beach. Ayan siya. Yung fambam nag-i-enjoy sa dagat. Tapos na kami guys. Yung isang bata gusto ng kite, hindi naman namin yung magagamit after. No, Mimi. Hindi pala ito yung pupuntahan talaga namin na temple guys. Meron pa palang isa pa. Meron kaming family photo doon sa beach. So, 2 copies. Isa kina Ani, isa din para sa amin. Ayan ah. Tapos meron kaming soft copy nito. Hiningi namin doon sa photographer. So, pwedeng magpa-develop kami. Tapos palakihan na lang. Ito parang souvenir na lang to namin. Diba? Kulang lang ng isa kasi yung isa umiiyak.
मेरे को गारंटी नहीं है।
हाँ, फोन वो छोड़ देंगे।
आपको तो जिधर पार्किंग में छोड़ दिया मैं रास्ता दिखा देता हूँ, वापस आप उधर ही आने।
ठीक है।
Phone not allowed.
फोन बात पर ऐसा क्या हुआ है फोन? वो तो आप रख देगा, दूसरा आके उठा के ले जाएगा, किसका कैसे पता नहीं पड़ेगा। वो उनको भी जानबूझ के नहीं ले जा रहा है, उनको गलती से लेके जाता है।
So now we are going to visit a temple. There is this temple, sabi nila na isa daw sa pinakamayamang temple sa buong India. But no phones, no camera, no smartwatches are allowed inside the temple. So I don't think I will be able to vlog. That's where we are going right now. And this is our last day in Kovalam here in Kerala. Medyo marami yung napuntahan namin. So I'm going to make a separate vlog. Iba yung morning time siguro. Tapos yung hapon namin na activities. Kasi magiging mahaba siya guys. Stop over. They need to buy dhoti. Because we are not allowed to enter the temple nang naka-ganito lang guys. Casual wear. Dapat naka-dhoti yung male. Tapos kami nakasari. And meron ditong gumagawa. Oh. Wait, I will show you this first. Yung paggawa nila ng tela. Yung parang skirt. Here in the south guys, ito yung traditional wear talaga ng mga lalaki. Dhoti. For Papa also, Han? So for 3 of you, we need this. Just the cheapest one, Han, because anyway, we are not going to wear.
Basic ones you give me.
Like the cheapest, because one time only.
One time.
Huh.
This is 100 rupees.
Transparent
No, don't do this.
This one अच्छा है 490 में good.
No, but one time like okay something.
Sir,
Ayan.
अच्छा है.
Take it.
This one. 100. Then this is nice. Be? Yeah, one time. Han, why?
This one and one towel.
Try big.
And 3 towel also.
3 towel नीचे से.
Okay, so yan na. 100 rupees, guys. Kaysa sa 500 na pang isahang gamit namin. strict sila kasi sa dress code sa temple. Dapat yung proper na traditional wear talaga.
But normal, no.
This is okay.
Only white allowed, na?
Plain white.
This we can take, right? This one.
That blue one under. Yeah, this one.
820 madam.
This is
820. This is different
premium
cloth.
quality.
Okay, 820 guys. Mahal siya. Okay.
So this one यही ले लिया ना? ये कितने का? 150 100.
150.
ठीक है. 100 top. Okay. This will take 3 ये
Okay. Tindahan siya ng mga traditional wear. Kinuha ni Abby si Mishka sa sasakyan kasi merong pangbata and wala si Mishkang ganitong traditional wear kasi for Mishka. Ayan na. Ay, this is nice, Daddy, oh. Huh?
इसको ले जाना है. हाँ.
For her. Kerala to na traditional dress ng mga kids. Kasi yung bata, wala kaming traditional dress niya. Daddy, oh. Love, oh. Try. For
Size madam?
3.
3.5.
3.5. Or this one. Daddy, this one is nice.
Yeah.
Look. Gold one. I think this is the pair of this skirt.
Kerala.
This one.
This one.
Ayan.
And this one, how much they have?
This one. Gusto na i-update ito.
And this one?
780. This one is Daddy. Daddy, there is pink. Oh, this one is nice. Huh? This one is gold.
Yes.
And new model.
This one.
You like it?
You like that? Kasi may purple eh. Do you have purple? Ay, she likes purple. Gali na for dresses. But this looks yellow. Yeah, traditional. This one is nice also. Which one, Lab? This one. Daddy, she likes this one.
But this will be too big for you.
Too big, Lab. You like this pink? Pumapili din yung anak ko. Ay, this one is nice. Okay. This one is nice. Open me.
This one is good, right?
Mimi, this one. This is nice.
This color?
Yes, this is nice. See?
Baby?
See?
Look here. Do you like this one?
Mahilig na rin yan kasi pumili-pili ng dress niya, guys. Eh.
This one you don't like? This color?
This is pretty. This is pretty. See, it has glitters. Oh. Because it's purple, Han. She likes purple. Do you have anything purple? Wait. Auntie will give you. See this ones. This one is nice.
This one?
This one, colorful. Daddy, this is nice, You like it? This is pretty. So, ito yung dress na pinili namin kay Mishka, guys. Kasi parang traditional talaga siya. Tapos yung skirt is ito. So, yung ganitong traditional wear, nabili namin siya ng ayan, 710 yung kanyang price. Yung first na traditional wear talaga ni Mishka. Kerala style na Indian wear. Baby is wearing dress already.
Count number.
Happy birthday party.
Yes, he's going to happy birthday party.
From this number.
Dilim na kami nakalabas dun sa guys, sa temple. Grabe yung tao. Na-stress na siya. Order pa kami ng pagkain, so medyo na late. We can reach our pick-up point ng aming bus. Mabilisan lang doon sa temple, guys, kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-stay doon, pero grabe, sobrang ganda ng temple. If napanood nyo yung happy vlog namin, yung temple na pinuntahan namin, parang same yung itsura ng temple na to, pero mas malaki to. And yung sa loob niya, yung sa mandir talaga is puro gold talaga. Kaya stricto sila, no phones, no camera, no watch allowed talaga sa loob. Sobrang maa-amaze ka sa laki at sa sa pag-maintain nila ng temple. Busy ang lahat kasi nag-aayos, nag-i-empake. This is the end of our Kerala trip. 5 days Kerala tour. And yung aming driver. And yun, he's been our tour guide.
Come driver.
He brought us to different places here in Kerala. Tourist destination talaga. Dapat sana may isa pa kaming pupuntahan na Catholic Church. Pero hindi na kaya ng oras, guys. Ngayon, nagmamadali na lang kami na makadating dun sa aming pick-up point. Yes? Okay. 7 magsa-start yung aming biyahe mula dito sa Kerala. Then we will arrive in Bangalore mga 7 or 8 ng umaga. So it's an overnight bus travel. We're just coordinating with our bus kung saan niya kami pipick upin. Trivandrum. Ayan na yung aming bus, guys. Ito na yung aming mga bagahe. Yan yung aming driver, Mr. Anil. Anil G, thank you so much. Thank you, Anil G. So ito na yung aming bus, guys. Dito kami sa first na bed. Sabi ni Mishka, meron daw kaming TV. This is better than the first one during our arrival. Your nose so dirty. Okay, I will clean. So yan, sunod-sunod kami. Arrange. Such an exhausting night. Goodbye, Kerala. See you next time. Bye, Kerala. See you next time. Ang pangalawang stopover namin, alas 2 ng umaga, para mag-toilet, mag-kape sa mga inaantok. Katapos ko lang mag-washroom. Mish katulog, guys. Siguro isang stopover na lang and then Bangalore na. This is second stop na. Morning. It's 7:10 in the morning. We're almost home. Isang oras na lang na biyahe. 1 hour more, no? After nitong stop na to, kami na yung bababa.
Belandur.
Dito na kami, guys. Order na lang kami ng breakfast, guys.
Dahi wala.
What are you doing? Wow. You're putting magnets. Busy yung mga kids. Nag-i-enjoy kakalaro. Pero tingnan nyo yung bahay namin. Toys everywhere. Good job, Miti. Clap. Yay! Good job, Miti. Come back here. Okay, start the Everybody is so tired. And now we are just cooking for dinner na to, guys. Jackfruit and potato. Ito yung gusto ko kung paano magluto si Mami. Gusto kong matutunan. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung jackfruit and potato niya eh. Lalabas kami ngayon, alas 6 na ng hapon. Kasi sila ni Honey, bukas na sila uuwi, guys. Sandali lang talaga sila dito. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng D-Mart kasi mag-grocery shopping sila. Wala kasing D-Mart sa Patna. So makakabili sila dito ng pang-grocery. Makakatipid talaga. So let's go. Kumilak si Mami yung wala kasi masakit yung kanyang paa. So siya yung kulang sa amin ngayon. Slowly, slowly. Si Uncle will check it. Go. 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 Go inside.
Nini, baby.
Yan, tao dito ngayon sa D-Mart. Punong-puno. Kasi syempre, mura lahat yung mga tinda nila dito. Dito ba? Pila na kami, guys. Itong lahat ng to sa kanila ni Honey to. Ito yung sa amin lang. Pagkatapos namin doon sa D-Mart, guys. Dito kami, Dito daw kami maghapunan, sabi ni Abhi, kasi aalis na bukas yung kapatid niya. Let's go inside. Sheriff Bay. Nice naman.
Chicken platter.
Okay.
Some 5-6 items to get to this. Okay.
Kumakain na siya ng yogurt na binili namin dun sa D-Mart. Hindi na makapag-hinta. Sheriff Bay.
Biryani. Biryani or okay?
Kasi uuwi na sila ni Honey. 4 of them. But Papa will stay. And Mommy for 1 week. We have paratha, chicken gravy, and pidiapam, sepiam. Our last order, biryani. This is family size na. We have raita. Okay, Papa. Tinapay kasi humingi si Mishka ng tinapay. 3 envelope. Kasi yung mga medical records namin gusto ni Abby na separate yung 3 kami. Kanya-kanya. Fevicol, shoe fix. Tapos may perfume na naman si Abby. Buy one get one to, no? Tapos yung aming clean and clear. Buy one get one na naman siya. Buy one get one din pala ito, guys. So kung saan yung buy one get one, doon kami. Tapos ito. Kay Mishka. Ito yung una naming nakita na shorts. Nice din ito. Tapos sabi ni Abby, magandang i-partner. So binila niya yung anak niya. Ito. Nice na. And yung flower na design, guys. Maganda din siya. Tapos ito. Ang nice din ito. I think for boys ito. Pero ang cute ng kanyang print. Tingnan niyo. Pwede sa kay Mishka. This is nice. At para sa akin, bili ni Abhi. Crop top. But actually, this is for kids. This is for 13 to 14 years old. Na crop top. Tapos yung kanyang print dito. Diba? Ito lang naman yung bili namin. Ang cute nito. Kay Honey to guys, tingnan nyo. Ang cute nito. Organizer. Pang decors. Para sa bahay, halos lahat yung mga binili niya dito. Toys, pang bata. Neck pillow. Mga hair clips. Comb. Perfume. Mga hair accessories ni Mitty. Tapos mga damit. Ayan, bumili din siya kasi ang ganda nitong print na to eh. Twinning yan si Mitty and si Mishka na naman. Mga shorts. Ang dami diba? Water bottle. Kay Honey yan. May silang lotion. Face wash. Same ng face wash namin. And, ano to? Tea light. Mga medyas. Brush. Lotion. Buy one, get one. Honey, this is also buy one, get one. Yeah. Buy one, get one yan, guys. Tapos mga shorts. Yan lang naman. Tupperware. Ang cute nito. Oh, wait lang. Magkano ito? Mag-i-impake na yan sila. So, nilabas na yung lahat ng kailangan ilabas.